Ralph. Ralph, up. Here, Ralph. Come on, up. Maya, up. Good, there you go. Take her. Ralph, come on, here. Hey, up. Ralph, here. Oh, you go through. Oh, that step's loose. So this one. Huh? Hello, it's James from Adventure Dogs here. We've got Callum as well. Wave. Today we are going up Ben Louis, which is the mountain in the background there. We have 5 dogs. We've got Buddy, as usual, Ralphie, Henrik, Scout and Maya. I don't know why I need to look, I just need to look. Yep, 4 Monroes. It'll be a long day, but it'll be good. They'll be tired tomorrow. And happy dogs, happy owners. So we'll catch you in a bit when we're on the hill. The wind. Here we are at the bottom of Ben Louis. Here it is, Ben Louis. The summit's right in the middle, I think. We've just let the dogs off now. There's no sheep or cattle or anything in the area. We're going to stop for lunch quickly whilst the dogs have a swim and a play, and then we'll get hiking again. It's great, beautiful day. There is wind. It's probably going to be cold at the top, and my hair's a wee bit mad, but that's fine. These guys love it. Lots of waterfalls as it comes down the hills, and you've got another mountain here. We'll probably be up there in a bit as well. So 2 mountains this way, Ben Louis and then the one past it, and then we go up onto these mountains over here, and there's 2 over there as well. So 4 mountains in total. Long day, but we'll get it. It'll be good. Chasing the butterfly, Scout. Take on, Ralphie. Good boy. So here we have sheep in the mountain, and we have 5 dogs all in lead, all good. Yep, and nice waterfall. And we walked where you can't see where we walked from in the valley. We're halfway up the mountain though, height wise. Weather update for you. It's raining. Wee update for you, we've lost the path. We're now heading up Central Gully, which is right behind us. It's the big rocky bit that you see. There you go, Cam, see how steep it is. Show the camera how steep it is by walking. Pretty steep and slippy. Dogs are loving it. You know so much. We've got a great view behind us. We've had some crazy rain. But we'll get there. It's tough.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your love.
Voltaire across up there. Oh, look at you, Ralphie. Come on, Ralphie. That's right, good boy. Yeah, well done, Ralphie. Henrik, do you mind? Good boy. Good boy, Ralphie. Good girl. Good boy, boys. Good girl, Maya. No, me neither. Maya. Good girl. Good boy, buds. look at his. It's alright actually. What? Aye. We had a bit of a scramble across. Well, that's a big rock. Good boy, bud. What's it like up here? That's the question. Is there? Pardon? Aye? Oh, let's have a look up here. Ah, that's right, Maya. I think you found the right route.
Hey, Maya.
Maya.
Come on, good girl.
Good go. Come on. A little bit further. A little bit. There we go. Good. Give me a call. Give me a call, Maya.
The lead better in the corner.
Ugh. There we go. Good dogs. Good dogs. Alright, back, buds. Alright, James, I'm gonna look this through as well for you. Nah, that's why I'm giving you an extra handhold. And I'll get up there and make sure it doesn't come loose. Alright, give us a sec though. What? Hike on, hike on. Alright. That is solid around that rock. No? Alright. I'm just stopping it from slackening. Hike on. Alright. Alright. Multi-use dog leads. Alright, I'm gonna get this lot up the top.
Yep.
Proper adventure. Hike on. Hey, hike on. Good girl.
Go on underneath.
Alright. Aye. Hike.
Grab the lead, get him up safely.
Hike on.
This is a bit dangerous.
Aye. Hey, scout. Okay. Where did Buddy get up actually?
Just get up.
Hike. Buddy, be quiet. Good boy, Henrik. This is where I found it hard to get up.
That is fucking scary shit.
Aye.
Well done, dogs.
Right. Hey, buds. Buddy, watch it. Right, there's the lead of you on it. Aye.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Next one.
There you go. Perfect. And up the top we are.
So the weather just turned. We're nearly at the summit, but we just hit this gully, the top of the gully, and it was tough. We had to rock climb up there with the dogs, and it's dangerous going down. So we figured our best way was to get up, and the weather's changed, but we'll get to the top. We're not going to do the 4 summits. We're just going to do Ben Louis because we can't go down that way we came up. Unfortunately, the path led us a different way than we thought we were going. So we'll get up to the top and get down safely. But we're on safe ground now, so happy days.
Careful, Ralphie, don't fall in there. Buddy, come. Maya, come. There you go. Oh, careful dogs. What? Huh?
Almost at the top. That's the top there, I think. This is not an easy hill. No, this route anyway. We're here at the summit. We've done it. Carl's putting the rock on. Look at that. Woo! And look at the clouds below us. Let's get out your garage. Let me get up here for a view. Oh man, clouds on, clouds on the rain, all the way we came up that ridgeline. You can't even see it. That was a hell of a climb. Buddy, no, do not, no, get away from there. This way, come on. And we've got the view over here. That is unreal, what a payoff. We put the effort in, we got rewarded, Callum. Ben Louis, you're beat. We've beat you. It was tough, you put up a fight, we beat you. Hit the summit. Ben Louis, it gave us its best, but we beat it this time. It beat me last time I tried. I tried a different route last time, but this one was harder, better weather. But as you see, we're soaked and we're time to go home. The rainbow behind us as well. Thunderclouds are coming in quite quick actually, behind us here. So, time we get off this mountain, back down onto the path, and then to the car, and then McDonald's because I'm hungry. To get ourselves a wee reward, get the dogs a wee treat too. So, catch you at the bottom. There's the summit, one summit of it, right? We literally came up that ridge, all the way down, right down the scrambly bits, down the scree here, onto that path there, and right up Central Gully, this way here, right up through all this, and then up this bit here. Oh, it's focused on my finger. Right up that ridge line there, to the, right up to the summit there. That has not been an easy climb, but look at that rainbow, we've been rewarded. We're just walking over to the other summit, and then we're actually going to head down. We're not going to do the 4 because we're both absolutely soaked. Gavin left his waterproof at the house, and I left my fleece. So I'm just in a t-shirt and a waterproof jacket, so it's a wee bit chilly. And over here to the left we look like we're getting hell of a weather as well. Possibly some thunder, so we're just going to leave as soon as we can. But we can't believe we got a view at the top. This is, I think, my 12th mountain, and it's the second time I've had a view. So I really feel quite lucky and blessed. It's unreal. Dogs are absolutely loving it. They're away with Callum though, as usual. They love him. So that's us down at the bottom, back onto the road. All the dogs managed it. We followed the path down. Where's the other dogs? Buddy. Come on guys, get in shot. Good dogs. Lads. So this is where we went up with my finger, away up this path here. We're over to that side and then up. Scrambles, it's horrible. Along here, down this ridge. And then down and then cut across back onto the path and then down. So it's been hard. The dogs are done. Now we've got, how far? 8-9 kilometres to walk on this forest farm road. So it'll be fun. We're done basically though. Happy days, it's hard. This is my worst nightmare. Petrified these cows. Calves. What? Lads, behave. Easy boy. Easy. Easy. Walk on. Walk nice. You'll be sensing my fear. Walk on nice. It's okay. It's a really cute one. As cute as they are, I find them so scary. Like actually petrified. Scary stuff. We're almost there. We've been walking 7 hours or something. It's been tough. The mountain's miles away from here, you can't even see it. And the dogs are doing good. Buddy's still pulling away. Henrik's doing good. Maya. Ralphie's doing great. We super dog Ralph and Scout's over here. She's doing great as well. Don't know if you can see her. Scout. Can you see her? Don't know if I got it there. But it's been a good day. We're absolutely knackered. Probably done the best part of 50,000 steps today. Don't have my watch on today, so I couldn't even tell you. But it's pretty impressive, pretty crazy. And the dogs have definitely got a great walk. So yeah, I don't think I'd do it again though, it's been tough. Right, yeah. So check out, car's just up here. We're in the car park now. I'm going to get some dinner. So till the next time, see you later.